There you go. All right. So this is the week week 3. We're in the reviewing the material for the preparation assignment for 5. So should we gonna start with part 2?
Okay. 6. The mean of all quantitative scores on the GRE is 150.8 with a standard deviation of 8.8.
All right.
Okay. A scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed, with mean 150.8, division 8.8.
Okay, that's correct. All right, let me read C and D. If a student score is it
Okay,
is it 10
sorry.
percentile, what their corresponding Z score be? Right, according to this is the Z is
Sorry,
1.2816.
can I repeat?
Uh,
Oh, sorry.
no, that's okay. I mean D. What is the quantitative GRE scored for the students who score at the 10th percentile? The GRE that I have is 139.5, which I assume we're gonna round those numbers to 140.
Yes. Okay.
All right. The 7. The mean
Okay.
speed of hydroxine at room temperature is 1800 mD/s with a standard deviation of 600 ms. At room temperature, the mean speed of hydroxide H2 particle is approximately normal, with a population mean of 1800 meters per second and a standard deviation of 600, which is sigma 600 ms.
Okay. B, what is the probability that the randomly selected particle has a speed over 2,500 ms? Okay. Okay. 0.1217.
Okay, it's 0.1217.
Okay.
Correct. All right. What is the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed that is less than 2500 ms? It will be 0.8783.
Okay. D, what is the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed that is less than 1,500 ms? Um, 0.3085.
Okay. What is the randomly, oh no, what is the probability that randomly selected particles has a speed that is between 1500 and 2500 ms? So would it be 0.5698?
Yes. F, what is the third quartile of the speeds of hydrogen at room temperature? Um, okay. Uh, 2204.4. Or,
Okay. So it'll be 2204.4 ms all divided by s.
yeah, oh, sorry, MS.
No, that's good. That's okay. Here is the challenge, and this is the thing that at least I have also challenge. Yeah, where we're supposed to categorize, determine whether the data represented in the QQ plot are normally distributed or not. Record your answer for each graph. Justify your answer. All right. Well, according to this, to my assumption is not normal. Since the
Okay.
since the ends are not equal, the equal percentage.
Okay. Okay.
Mm. So if you observe the graphic, it should be the same deviation. However, it doesn't have the same. So if we take
Mm,
the A to B, it would be the same.
mm. So,
It moves too drastically. And for example, the C and D looks a little the and D looks a little more normal. If you analyze the information and how is the graphic is moving,
mhm. Okay. I think I think that I understand now.
and and E would say that is not normal,
Not normal.
not normal, and F
Okay.
is normal.
Yes, that is normal. Okay.
All right.
It's easy.
All right. Are you ready
It's
for the
fast.
test? Because I'm not. All right.
Okay, well, let's go.
Let's go take the test. Let me really quickly sign in because I guess the system signed me out. All right. Group discussion, group quiz. All right. Let's take this thing. I'm sure it's gonna be more complicated than it looks. All right. If it was already here, I would have said that these two are the easiest one. All right. It says the total area under a normal distribution curve must equal.
One.
Yeah. All right. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. True or false?
I think it's false.
I think it will. I think it's false as well. A normal distribution curve is symmetric. Yes, I believe.
What? Just a moment.
Yes.
I I had a problem with my quiz.
Okay.
Just a second.
Right.
Okay, I'll try again.
Did he sign you out?
Um,
All right.
okay. All right.
You back?
Yeah.
All right. So if we go to the next question, it refers about the graphic. Refers about the applet, however you say it.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
But I
gonna.
understand you. Hey,
All right. It says here. Let's see what it says. All
it
right.
says, it
So
says,
use the following image to answer the next two questions. Which of the following elements of the figure represent z-score? Which I believe is the C, but I'm not sure if it's the B or C.
C, I think C.
The B?
C.
The C. Yes, I believe so too.
Yeah.
C square. Yep.
Because you put the answer.
Yeah, you insert the numbers and all that.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct. All right. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability to the z-score which be greater than 1.00. Elements of the figure represent the probability this is square. Yeah, that would be B.
B. Now it's B.
Yeah, no B. Yeah. All right, here it goes. All right, according to the 68, 95, 70, 99.7 rule, what percentage represent all the data from a belt-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of mean? Write your answer as a percentage just as 41 rather than a proportion just at 0.42. Okay, got it. All right.
I think it's 68. 68.
68 percentage, right?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, right. Okay. Do you want to read the next?
Okay. Question 9. Suppose that the z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applied to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? And we need to give your answer. Our answer is decimal. 3 decimal place.
Yeah, so it's right one and right minus. Put one or one minus.
It's easy using the normal probability applied.
Yes.
Um,
It will be 0.1587.
I,
Is that what you got?
I think it's different.
What person?
I think it's 0.683.
Oh, yes, yes, because of what
Okay,
proportion
it's
also the z-score
between.
will be between. That's correct. Yeah,
Yes.
will be between. It will be 0.6827. You're right.
We need to use the 3 decimal place.
Yes, you will enter yes.
And I think 3.
0.682.
I think it's 3 because um, we have 0.6827.
Yeah, we're
And
gonna only include the three numbers, the 682, the
but
0.682.
the next number is 7. I think it's we need to
Rounded?
um, yes. I don't know what it's
Well, it doesn't say. It says give your answer in a decimal as a decimal accurate to the three-digit decimal places. If the answer was 0.3389184, you would enter 0.389. Yes, it doesn't say nothing about rounding the number.
I think it's round because this example, the next number it's 1. 5 or more, we use the next number.
Let me see.
Please understand me.
Yeah, maybe. All right, well.
I don't be sure, but I think it is. Sorry.
It's okay. It's only one way to know. I'm not sure either, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. You, if you want to put it differently, I mean, I don't think it will cause you too much trouble not rounding it, not rounding the number.
I think it's 0.683.
All right, I'll go with you. All right.
I'm nervous now.
Next question. Suppose that z-score comes from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer these questions. What proportion of the z-score will be between 2 and 2? Minus 2 and 2. Okay, let's do this. 2. 0.954.
Yeah, I think so.
0.954. Your answer as a decimal accurate to the 3 decimal places. Okay.
The same.
954. Okay, well, if following the previous logic, it will be 0.955.
Why?
It has a 5. I mean, the last number is 5, but when you have over 5, you round the number.
Yes, but
Isn't that what we said in the previous one?
ouch.
Right. Is that what you
I don't
get?
know. About the question 10, yes?
All right.
You have a 0.9541. That's it?
What, for the 11, or which one are you doing?
Oh, no, I said the 10.
Okay.
Sorry.
What I get from that, it was 0.9545.
But I didn't understand. Because we have the answer. Error is 0.9541. I between and minus 2 and 2. Mm. because just we can just move mm, 1 to 2. Okay,
Oh, wait, 1 to
using
2.
the normal probability applied.
Oh wait, you're already doing the 11. I wasn't doing that.
Oh,
Okay. All right, hold on.
the 11 or no? Okay, okay. It's later. Okay. I said the question 10.
So you go 1.00.
1 point. No.
I mean, it got
Well,
0.997.
okay, it's 11. It's correct?
0.997. Yes.
Okay. The question 10 is different, I think. But it's 11 is the same answer. It's 997. Okay. Question 12.
Yes, question 12. It says look carefully at the answers to the last three questions. What do you observe?
I think it's first
Yeah.
element.
Will be the first one. The volume match the 6895,997.
Okay.
It says the amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirements will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. GP multiply K potential minus 1 uh, multiply D potential 1 negative 1. To population means potential requirements for adults is 0.65 grams P multiply kilograms potential minus 1 multiply D potential minus 1, and the population standard deviation is 0.007. GP potential multiplies Kg multiply D potential minus 1. Freak, this is complicated. Okay. What's the portion of the population have protein requirement that is less than 0.60?
Okay.
Give your answer as a decimal calculate or three decimal places. So let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, kind of got confused in this.
What's the problem? Where's the problem?
I'm trying to understand how exactly I'm going to do it.
Did you get?
No,
Okay, you need to use the formula. Um, so you need to discover z-score. Okay, z equal value minus mean divided standard deviation, uh, deviation.
standard
Okay,
deviation. Okay, let's do the math.
okay,
It says
okay. The value it's 0.60 minus the mean is 0.65 divided for um let me see, I forgot.
how much was the amount that they said that, and they give us a number, a standard number. We're dividing. I'm trying to remember how much was it.
0.60 minus 0.65
Divided.
divided by 0.07.
Did you get minus 8.68?
71428. Yes, minus, yes. Okay. And I think that you can use the normal probability applied. And you put their z-score, and you did you have a and you have a answer? Um,
But according to what we did, it was minus point 0.8, minus 8.685.
yes, yes, but because the zero is minus, you select the okay, now let me see. I think it's possible. You want the less than 0.60. It's okay. You have negative z-score, and you use just the last part. When you use the normal probability applied, you select the last part. Just approximately 1, and when you finish, I don't know, I can understand. Okay, let me see.
Let me try to see if what is.
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, I want to. Okay, I can explain, and I send something for you. Your okay, just a minute. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, let's see.
All right, I don't know about this.
It's difficult for me to. Okay, can I? Yeah, I will try the email. I Yes. Yes. So. Hello. Hi. Just I don't know why. Okay, fix. Just a second. Okay. I sent this something for your email.
All right.
Okay.
Let
Because
me read.
it's difficult for me to explain.
Oh, don't worry. You're totally fine. Okay. Okay, I see the picture.
Okay. When you use the, let me see my answer. Okay. Okay. You want the less than 0.60. Okay, and your z-score is negative. It's 0.71428, and you put there the answer. Okay, z, and now you need to choose the part, select. And because the negative and the u less than 0.60, this last part you select, and you have the answer. It's 0.2376, and you round, and you have equal 0.238. Did you understand me?
This is actually what you did is okay. So you put the results at the bottom and you selected the C score in the right of the picture. And which is the result? The result that you take is the one that is appears in the area part, that is 0.2376.
Yeah.
No. All right. Thank you for the explanation.
No, it's not. I know it's not good. uh, when I explain this in Portuguese, it's the same. I can explain. The Portuguese is the same. Sorry,
It's okay,
I'm not a
man.
good teacher.
All right. Let's pass to the next question. What proportion of the population have obtained a requirement that is more than 0.60 GP year rounded? Okay.
Now you want the more than 0.60. And in the graphic, you select the other two parts.
So all of it?
It's opposite, and the first and second. You click in the first and the second.
Okay.
First and second blue, and the third it's white. It's the same as Z.
that would be 0.7642.
24.
24. All right.
7624. And then use just round 0.762. Okay. 0.762. Okay.
So the next one is almost the same. What's per proportion of the population if a potential requirement set is less than 0.70?
Yes, not 0.60, but now it's 0.70.
Yeah, so you leave the middle clear and you keep the two corners, correct?
Yes, you have now you have a z-score positive. It's the
Yeah.
same answer, but it's positive. When you calculate the z-score, you discover this.
So how much do you get?
And now
I got 0.4752.
when you finish, 762. Answer the question 15. For me, it's 0.762. The same.
Yes, the same. 7.762.
Okay. Okay. Um, okay, 16. Can I read?
Sure.
Okay, find the probability that the randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70. And remember that to find the area between two values, should to the left of each z-score, you calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. This is the probability that the randomly select observation will lie between the two values. Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places. Okay, and
Some probability that every number selected person will have protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70.
Okay.
Right, remember what is it divided from? I mean, you said that is 60 minus 70 divided by what?
762 4 minus 0.2376. And the answer is 5 to round 0.525. This is the answer.
0.1525?
5 to 5.
Okay, I couldn't hear you. What is it that you get?
Okay, because just okay. When you start the quiz, there said you do not round until your calculation is complete. And the 60, the question 60, you need to calculate not round until, just when you finish. And you need to use the complete answers. You divide to 14 minus question for answers. Question 14 minus question 13. You understand?
Wait, are we subtracting the question 13 minus the 14?
For yes, 14 minus 13. How can I say? The answer 14 is point 7. Do not round, okay? 0.7624.
Okay.
Okay. And the question 13, the answer, not round again, 0.2376. Okay. You have two answers. And
right?
Now you 0.7624 minus 0.2376, and then equal 0.7248. Okay? It's the same?
172 for, yep, 172 for 8. It's a,
Okay. Now you round, but you want 3 decimal place. You put the point 525.
and 525.
Yes. What do you think?
It's confusing, honestly. I thought this was gonna be easier,
I'm
but no.
I'm terrible teacher.
All right, let's. I need to honestly. I reviewed all of this, but I anyway, not an issue.
Oh
Find
no, sorry. I used the 14. It's not 14, it's 15. Okay. Sorry. The answer. But it's the same answer. Okay. I just
I assume
I'm
you said the 14 minus the 13.
yes, but not 14. It's 15 minus 13.
All right, let's go to the next one. Let's find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. Round your answer to the 3 decimal places.
So it's difficult for me this answer, but I'll try. Okay. Oh. Mm. Mm.
Okay, I'm reviewing the pap the we did
Okay.
something similar in the
Uh,
homework, the assignment. But I'm trying to remember how I did it.
mm.
Break.
0.682.
All right, this is confusing.
I, I don't be sure, but I think it's 0.62. Sorry, 0.682.
All right, honestly, I'm not sure on this. I have to go review the material again.
Okay. What do you found?
I'm going to go for 0.682.
0.682. It's the same. Okay.
Find the 80th percentile protein requirement for adults. Write your answer for the 3 decimal places.
I think it's 0.7. But I need to treat the small place. 0.700.
So we're not doing the value means standard deviation here, right?
Yeah.
What is it that you get, Melina?
What?
What do you get?
These answers? Sorry, didn't understand.
Oh, in the 18-watt chipper, so I got 0.764.
I think it's 0.700. Okay, so 0, 7, 1, 7, 4 plus 7.77 equal more 0.65. Yes, my answer is it's 0.69998 round 0.700.
Hmm. Uh, can't tell you. I already submitted, and I got it wrong.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let me see here. Let's bring okay, for you, you submitted.
Yes, I did.
What
I got the last two ones wrong.
you put? What you put?
Point
What did
the
you?
17 was 0.682, and the next I put zero point 0.7.
It's wrong.
Yep.
0.7 is wrong.
Yeah, you probably.
Why? And the others, and I didn't submit. Let me see. Uh, uh, I save. Just a moment. I save everything. Okay, let me see. One. I don't know. We'll see. Okay,
All right.
we can try again.
I'll review it. I'm gonna stop the recording right now. We've been like almost an hour. All right, let me stop the recording. One, two, three.